In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Figma agent beta in Figma. If you want to access this beta feature, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your browser without any confusion. Start by opening Figma in Google Chrome. Make sure you're fully signed into your account so that all of your profile options are available. Once Figma has loaded, look toward the top right area of the toolbar. You'll see your profile avatar there. This is the icon that opens your personal account menu, where Figma keeps settings and other account-related options. Go ahead and click your profile avatar. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the area where you can manage account preferences and access additional configuration options. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Beta Features tab and click into it. This section is where Figma places experimental or early access tools that may still be in testing. If you don't immediately see the exact option you want, take a second to scan the page carefully, since beta features are usually grouped together in this section. Now find the toggle switch labeled Figma Agent Beta. When you locate it, click the switch to turn it on. After enabling it, the feature should be activated for your account. In some cases, changes like this may apply right away, but if you don't notice anything immediately, it can help to refresh Figma or reopen the tab in Chrome. That's all you need to do. The key part is knowing that this option lives under your profile settings inside the beta features area. If you ever want to disable the feature later, you can return to the same place and switch it off. As a quick tip, beta features can sometimes change, move, or become unavailable, depending on your account type or rollout status. So if the toggle doesn't appear exactly as expected, it may not be available on your version yet. And that's how to enable the Figma Agent Beta in Figma using Chrome.